Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to add a welcome screen design on a Wix mobile site. So let us get started. First, go to your Wix website and access the left side menu. Under the Site and Apps section, tap on Website to begin editing your website. Click on Edit Site to make the necessary changes. To switch to the mobile view, simply click on the mobile icon located in the top toolbar. This will allow you to see how your website appears on mobile devices. Next, on the left menu, click on Mobile Tools. Here, you will find the option for the welcome screen. Tap on Welcome Screen to start editing it. You can customize your welcome screen by adding your logo. Simply click on the image section and select an image from your media library or upload one. After selecting the image, click on Add to Page. You can also add animations to your welcome screen design to make it more engaging and eye-catching. Explore the different animation options available and choose the one that suits your website style. To make the welcome screen more visually appealing, you can also change the background color. Click on the background color section and pick the color that fits your website's branding. Once you are happy with the design, click on Done. Now, this welcome screen design will be seen by all mobile users when they visit your website. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.